be showing you a quick and short tutorial on how to take a video of your bird, because I know everyone here's got a bird. So, first step, you gotta find an iPad to take the video.
Not here. Not here either. Huh. Ah, no, it was around here somewhere. Oh, what's this doing? Here, let's pause that. Alright, there we go.
Then, you're going to want to find a stand to put the iPad on.
Gotcha.
Now that you've got your stand, you want to take the iPad, flip open the lid, and pull apart the claw and squeeze the iPad inside. There you go. And then you can turn it on with the home button. And if you swipe down from the power, you'll see there's a bunch of widgets. And then you can just click on the camera and it'll take you straight there. Now all we need is a bird.
Aha! I found a bird. Alright, here we go. We'll just reach in and... okay, hold on. So next you want to get yourself a chip to bribe the bird. Yeah, there you go. Good chip, yeah. And then after that, you can try and reach in. Oh, no, still a little bit more chip maybe. So just keep bribing with the chip. There you go, there you go. And then you want to bring your bird back to your iPad.
Now that you have your bird, you want to move your camera away and place the bird down. Come on. Good boy. Then you want to place your camera in front of the bird and tilt it down until you can see. Then you want to swipe down until it says video on the right. Then make sure the bird doesn't leave the shot. Come back. Okay, I think he's good. Now, you want to click on the big red record button. And then, you can wait until you have sufficiently recorded your bird. And then, press the record button again to stop it. And then, click on the square below it to view the video. And you can even view it with sound. I won't do that because you'll hear me. And that is how you record a video of your bird.